Just like anything, bottle feeding can take a little practice. The main thing to remember is to take your time and have everything handy before you get started. If you're planning to use a bottle for every feed, you'll need at least 6 bottles, 6 teats, a bottle cleaning brush and sterilising equipment, as we described in our sterilising video. The teats come in all shapes and sizes, and which ones you'll need will depend on the milk you're using and which ones your baby prefers. It can simply be a matter of trial and error, but as a general guide, the teats differ by how quickly or slowly they allow the milk to flow from the bottle. Firstly, wash your hands and make sure your equipment is sterilised. Next, boil some freshly run water and allow it to cool for 30 minutes, as we have here. The instructions are included on every pack, and it's really important to measure the powder precisely. What you're looking for is a nice even scoop, not pressing the powder down, and level it off with a built-in leveller. This can be a bit slow to start with, but it does get easier with a bit of practice. There's also lots of information on the side of the pack, including how much to feed your baby and how often. You can then replace the cap and give the bottle a shake for about 10 seconds to dissolve the powder properly. Okay, and once that's done, you can cool the feed under a cold running tap. Okay, so now that's cooled, we need to check the temperature of the feed on the inside of your wrist. That's perfect. And then make sure you feed your baby immediately. If you're planning to bottle feed, you'll need at least 6 bottles and teats, a way to sterilise the equipment, a bottle cleaning brush, and of course some baby milk. The instructions are always included on every pack, so follow them step by step, using exactly the amount of powder that's specified. Use boiled water which has been cooled, and always test the temperature of the feed on the inside of your wrist before you give it your baby. Then as they feed, keep an eye on the tilt of the bottle so that they're only swallowing milk, not air. And don't forget to throw away any leftover milk within 2 hours.